Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best IPTV players that you can use on your Firestick totally for free. They work with majority of live TV providers and are extremely stable. And by the way, those apps are super easy to set up. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get those apps to your device. First of all, of course, you'll have to get an app called Loader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, we start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it is not over yet. We'll still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and from here we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's super easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And now as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which we always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Ireland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's super important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So you just need to go and open up Downloader, and then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. And now here, in that search bar, we'll need to start entering the link, which is going to be TiviMate.com, because the first name of the first IPTV player we're going to get today is TiviMate. So once again, the link is TiviMate.com. Let's enter it into the search bar. And there's the link, you can see it on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it as you see it. Then you click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened, you just scroll down a bit until you find that blue download APK button right here. Now we gotta click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then just click on install, and wait until TiviMate has finished installing on your Fire TV. Then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Now finally we gotta go back to the list of apps on your device, and there you'll find the TiviMate, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way TiviMate app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then let's open the TiviMate application. And here basically what you have to do is just click on add playlists, and there you'll find 2 main options. So either add a M3U link or the external code. So if your live TV provider gave you an M3U link, you would need to select that option, click on enter URL, click on next, and then the playlist is going to appear. Alternatively, if your provider gave you an extreme code, you would need to select this option, and then enter the link that was given to you by your live TV provider, then a username and a password. And basically there are thousands of different live TV providers in the world, so it's totally up to you which one to choose. But if your provider gives you either an extreme code on or an M3U link, then this provider should work with this live TV player. So TiviMate was the first player in our list today, and now we go back to downloader so I could show you a couple more applications. So we gotta click on home again. Let's click on it, and now in the search bar we'll need to start typing a second link, which is going to be IPTVsmarters.com. So let's do it. Once again, it's IPTVsmarters.com. There you go, and there's the link. You can see it on your screen, so just take a good look, then we click on go and wait until the app opens up for us. Sorry, not app, but the website. And there it is. Now we just have to scroll down until we find the download section of this website. It should be somewhere here. And yep, there it is. So keep scrolling until you find the Android app, which is right here. And from here we have to click on direct download APK file. Now we click on it, and in a couple of moments the download of IPTV Smarters should start. And if for some reason it does not start for you, there is a green click here button, which you should click if the download does not start in like 5 or 10 seconds. But for us it started without any problems, so now we just have to wait until the download is finished. Then you just click on install and wait until IPTV Smarters Pro is installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you are using, of course. And then, just like previously, don't click on open, instead press on done so we could delete the installation files from your Firestick. And now when you go to the list of apps on your device, you should find the app here. Let's put it up front. And now we open the application, which we just downloaded. Select the device type. In our case, it's of course TV, because we are using a Firestick. After that, you have to accept the license agreement. And now from here, there are basically also 2 main options, either M3 links, which is right here. So from here, you just add any name to your playlist and then upload it as a file, or just select the M3U URL option and enter your link right here. Then you click on add a playlist, and it's going to appear in the list of playlists on your application. Or alternatively, we can use the extreme codes. It seems I accidentally closed the app. Yeah, so you would need to click on the extreme codes options. And now from here, just add any name and then username and a password, which were given to you by your live TV provider, and of course the link. Then you click on add playlist, and that's it, you are good to go. So IPTV Smarters is also an amazing IPTV player, which I highly recommend using on your Firestick devices. And now let's go back to the downloader so I could show you one more app. So the link is going to be iptvextreme.eu. Let's enter it together. Once again, it's IPTV Extreme. .eu. There you go, there is the link, so just enter it as you see, then we click on go, and now the website has opened. Let's put it in full screen and also zoom in a bit. So to start with download, we'll need to click on that here button. We'll click on here, and from here basically we see a lot of app versions. And now we need to find the newest one, which should be 129. It's from the August of 2024, so that's the newest version of the app. Now we just need to click on it, and a new web page also opened for us. Let's zoom in just a bit so we could click on the free version of the app right here. Click on free, and now we also see versions for different devices. But since we are using a Firestick, I recommend using the second version from the top. It's the V7A version. As you can see, it says V7A right here. That's the version that I recommend using. So now the download has started, and you can just wait a couple of seconds until it is finished. Like always, we click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your device. And then of course, do not forget to get rid of unnecessary installation files, so we delete them. And after that, go to the list of apps on your device. And there's the app that we just downloaded. Put it up front, let's open it. And now the IPTV Extreme player is loading. And in the app, you just have to click on the Add Playlist button. And from here, either go to IPTV Extreme portal, upload it as a file or as a link, or just use the extract codes. So that's pretty much like the previous applications I showed you today. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. So today you learned about the best free IPTV players for a Firestick. Hope that was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.